Hi folks, welcome back to Tony's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to have a Vietnamese dish, Vietnamese rice paper rolls. And if those of you know anything about Vietnam, the French essentially went into Vietnam back in the 1950s. And they had quite an influence on the style of preparation, food preparation that the Vietnamese had already done. So what you're going to see tonight is a dish that's going to combine a sauce with traditional Vietnamese food. So we have a lot here to cover. I'm going to go over real quick what we have here. Starting from the left, we have fresh leaf lettuce. Okay, and this, by the way, came out of my garden. And then we have carrots. Okay, and then we have celery. Then we have cucumber. Then we have scallions. Okay, and those, by the way, are out of my garden, which are unbelievable. We have raw chicken, tenders. These are chicken tenders, but you can use chicken breast. I just use chicken tenders. They're a little easier to work with. Over here we have ginger. Now, you can use powdered ginger, you can use granulated ginger, or you can go and you can get yourself some ginger root and you can peel it and you can grate it. This takes entirely too long, but it is the best and has the best flavor. But for us, for tonight, I'm going to be using this that's ground into a paste, and it's going to be part of a marinade. Okay, and then we have shrimp, and we have a fillet, tenderloin fillet. Then we have shallots. We have chopped garlic. We have the rice paper wraps, peanuts. We have sesame oil. We have Kikkoman soy sauce. We have Thai peanut sauce. We have hoisin sauce. We have chili sauce and honey. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get started on the sauce. Now, we're going to start off, this is the Thai peanut sauce. It's about 1/3 of a cup of Thai peanut sauce. Now, this is a little different than what you'll want to buy. This is a thick paste here, but what you want to look for in your grocery store is a liquid peanut sauce, and you'll need about 1/3 of a cup. Now, for every 1/3 of a cup of peanut sauce, you'll need to have equal amounts of honey. So I'm going to put right at about an equal amount of honey in the mixed with the peanut sauce. All right, and use my knife here. Okay, and then we're going to put in, let me get just a little more out there. Then we're going to put in 1/3 of a cup of hoisin sauce. We're just going to pour that right in there. Okay, and have that go in. This is an unbelievable sauce. We're not flaming anything tonight, I'm sorry to say, but it's all right. This is so good. I can do without the flames for one night. We're going to have a spot of Kikkoman soy sauce, not too much, just a little bit to loosen it up. Okay. We're going to put the chili sauce in last. You do this for yourself. After you've served yourself a portion of this, then you'll want to put chili sauce in, because this is extremely hot. All right, we're going to get our whisk. We're going to stir this up a little bit. It's a quick way to do if you don't have a mixer, get it nice and... Do you see the color I have there? That's the color you want to aim for right there. That's your peanut sauce. Now, we want to have a garnish with this, and what's really good are two things. It is called peanut sauce. So, we're going to take some of our peanuts, okay, and we're going to put them into a little baggie, a lunch baggie, double it, okay, use 2, because the next thing you want to use is a mallet. Now, if you don't have a mallet like this, which is actually a meat tenderizer, it has different types of textures on each side. I'm going to use the flat side. We're just going to pound that out, pulverize those peanuts, Okay? We're going to take a good portion of this. All right, I'm just going to stick my hand in here and flip it over. And I am going to add that to the top of this. And we're going to do it twice. Once we're going to mix it in. Okay? All right? Everybody got a good look at that texture there now? All right, then we're going to put some over the top later just as a garnish. And so I'm going to put my peanuts off to the side. Now, the next thing we have are our shallots. Now, this is a shallot, okay? It's almost like an onion, like a red onion, but it's a little sweeter, and they fry up real nice. So we're going to cut one of these. I've already cleaned this one, okay? So I'm going to just slice these in little circles, just that way, to get that, and fry those up in a little bit of oil, okay? Now I've had some oil heated over here. That's in this pan here I have sesame oil, okay? Not a lot. I don't want too much. I just want to fry them up, get them nice and crispy. So I'm going to throw those in here and kind of lay them out here. Turn my heat up a little bit. Everybody knows how I like cooking with gas here. Get the rest of those. Okay. We're going to let those fry. Okay, I'm going to be back in just a second. I'm going to show you how these should look when they're completely, the way they should look when they're done.